Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss the sets in Python. So set is basically a mathematical operation or a mathematical principle where set is defined as collection of items. Collection of items. Items may be anything, and also the set doesn't follow any order. Very particularly, set doesn't follow any order, and there is no duplication on the sets. So it set represent the collection of elements, and there is no duplications or duplicate values in any given set, and also the order is not a matter of concern in the set. Next, the restrictions on using the set is it is not having any order, that does not maintain any order, either ascending or descending order. And also we can see that in a set, the immutable items for which the values cannot be changed, the immutable items can be included into a Python set. And the frozen set is the immutable version of a set. So set we can change the values, whereas in frozen set we cannot change the values. And an empty set is represented by using two curly braces or pair of curly braces. And also now if we have a parameters, we can that means we can give the set values separated by commas or by using a word or and also we can use the set constructor. So this set constructor will return an empty set. It's a default constructor. And also we can create a set by using the parameterized constructor where we can pass a string or anything, and uh, that will be forming a set automatically. So for this, the set could be HELLO, and it will not be in order. Okay, if it's order good, but it will not be in order generally. Now let us see a simple program to illustrate the set class. So here I call the default constructor of a set. So when I print it, I'll be able to get uh, default, that means the empty set. Let's see how it's going to be represented. And also I would like to make a set out of a given string India. And the next one is I would like to create a set out of the given string Bangalore. So a set will be created. And then I print the set value over here. Then also I create another set from a string Mangalore. From a string Mangalore. Then I print it. Then upon the set, we can do some operations. That is, we can do the union operation, intersection, and the difference. And logically also we can perform A and B, A or B, and A exclusive or B. Okay. So now let us see that how it is going to be responding. So now let us look into it. So for a first print statement, we'll be getting an output. It's a default constructor. So empty set will be represented by using no, that will return the default constructor will return set like this, set empty brackets. And the second print statement, what it will do, it will print the set formed by the character India. And although we have two i's over here, so it's a case sensitive. So each I will be considered set because one is a capital A, other is a small I. So considering this, it will create a set. That is our second line that's printed. So INDIA. Some of the characters are retained, but not in order. Now coming to this, here, if you look into it, the third line, that is where we created a set from the Bangalore, and now when we print it, I just make it that this is the third print statement that we are going to have. So in the third print statement, we'll be able to see that Bangalore, so B is there in the set, B is there in the set, and A is also there in the set, and N is of course N we have, then G is also there in the set. Now if you see that both the A's are small letters or lower cases. So it will avoid the duplication. So only one A is going to be used. The first occurrence A will be used. Then we have a L, then we have O, and also we have R, and also we have E. So like this, a set is formed. Similarly, I create another set with the string Mangalore. Now the same thing will take place. Same thing will take place where twice my A is appear. Here it will appear only once in a set. It will be included only once in a set, and the remaining thing it's going to be as it is. Now let us do the union operation on a set. So by using the union function, so we use the union operation for A with B, A with B. So what the union will do? So this is for a Mangalore, and now this is the fifth print statement. So what union will do? It will look into both the sets, that is A set and B set, and it will combine these two sets and avoids the duplications. Avoids the duplications. You can see that if you have to do it, you should have both the characters for both Mangalore and Bangalore. But here, avoiding all the duplications, it will have because twice here itself we have a two times Mangalore A, and here also we have two times A. But how many times A we have it in this? Only once we have A over there. So duplication is removed here. Now intersection. So intersection of A. So with respect to B, what is the intersection? If you look into it, we have except B and M, all other characters, all other characters in a set is going to be common for both. Going to be common for both. So for this print statement, we will be getting the Naloegr. Again, avoiding the duplications and only the statement, the characters that are common for both the sets is printed over here. Now, with respect to B, what is the difference in A? What's the difference in A by using the difference operator? So where we can see that with respect to B, the first word is M, whereas in the A, it is B. Okay, so with respect to B, the difference in A is that is B only. So this is what the statement that's written there, or value that's written there. Now this one actually A and B. So that means what are the values present in both A and B? So what are the values that are present? Except B and M, Angular is there. So Angular only once it's going to be printed over here. That is the printing statement. 8 is the printing statement. Now A or B. So what are the characters that are there in the set A or in B? Now B, if you take it, it's there in A. And M also, if you take it, it is there in B. So somewhere it is there. And also the ANGLORE also it is going to be there. Again, the duplications are going to be removed. So this will give us the characters that are in A and also not on N or in B. Anyone place it should be there. And A exclusive or B. A exclusive or B. So that means what? It is there either in A or in B. but not in both the places. Not in both the places. So now it is between the XOR operation between A and B. So if we look into it, B is there in A, not in B, and M is there in B, not in A. So the exclusive OR operation on a set returns the B and M are the characters. Okay. So we can use the set and also some set operations based on the requirement on a set. Similarly, the same thing is applicable for frozen set as well. Okay. Thank you.